Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Astercook Knife Set. Multi-purpose knife set. This kitchen knife set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7 egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight. It easily fits into drawers for storage or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen. Astercook Pots and Pans Set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating, our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility. Pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions. Chicken Breast Shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Slim design, big impact. With a sleek 3.58 profile, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster fits comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. Part of our Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, it's the perfect blend of style and practicality. One long slot for versatile toasting. The extra-wide, 10-inch long slot accommodates 2 slices of bread side by side or thick artisan breads like bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toasts. No more squeezing or cutting, just perfect toast every time. Toasted perfection. 6 shade settings with a convenient cancel function allow you to customize your bread to your exact preference, from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Achieve your ideal toast with just a simple turn of the dial. Easy cleanup, clutter-free countertop. The removable crumb tray slides out for quick cleaning, ensuring your smart toaster stays tidy and operates efficiently. Classic pizza wheel. Slice pizza like a pro. Pizza restaurants use a roller cutter like this one. The sharp blade makes a clean cut in any crust and, unlike using a knife, actually presses the crust and toppings together, keeping the toppings on your pizza. Super sharp blade. The wheel is crafted from high-quality, premium 430 stainless steel that will stay sharp and resist rust. It is perfect for slicing pizza, waffles, pies, or cookie dough. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The angled wheel allows optimal comfort and performance when slicing hot pizza straight out of the oven. The built-in finger guard protects your hands from both the blade and the heat. The sleek design of the handle gives it a premium feel as well. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo, as well as an ABS chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Dishwasher safe. No more worrying about how to clean stuck food from your pizza cutter. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a thorough full cleanup. KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer. Fabric type, zinc, stainless steel. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The power hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The power hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. Cooking spatula set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can be used in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. These silicone cooking utensils do not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. Best kitchen tools. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. A small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. Great presents for anyone who loves to cook. Also good present set for your friend, family. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Vegetable chopper and spiralizer. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. 5-star design. The soft grip TPU handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid rubber base keeps the BPA-free veggie chopper steady on any surface, wet or dry. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean and mess-free.